What's up? It's your girl Nemo and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be using Lime Crime Unicorn Hair in the shade Cloud and just putting that all over my hair. As you can see, my hair is pretty faded from that purple lavender mixture I did a couple weeks ago, and I am ready to refresh it a bit. I just got this on a whim as I was in Sally's looking for a different hair color actually. I saw this and it just stuck out to me. It looks really pretty. It looks like a borderline lavender blue, probably periwinkle shade. It's meant to be a tint, if you can see there, so I don't expect this to be very dark, which is fine. But as you can maybe see, there's some blonde poking through from what I did before. It's faded quite a bit. I've been using hot water and dandruff shampoo. I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair first and dry it. I'm not going to condition it because the hair dye is going to act as my conditioner today. I'm going to do that, change shirt, get my gloves on, and get started. Here is what it looks like straight out the jar. So far, I've used about like 2/3 of the bottle. With my hair shorter, I'm hoping that will be enough and I won't have to use the rest of that, so I can save it for the Dye vs. Dye series. It was the only jar they had at the store at the time, so I didn't have much option. I'm gonna get started with this. I think I'm actually gonna start from the front this time, just in case I do run out of product. My hair does tend to absorb a lot, so just to be on the safe side, I'm going to start from the front and work my way to the back this time, and hopefully that's not too much of a challenge. Here we go. I've got it all on, and I'm gonna let it sit for 45 minutes to an hour, rinse out in cold water, and be back to show you the results. Here it is. Tint my ass. Look at this. It's gorgeous, but that ain't no tint. That is a full-blown color, and I like it. It looks like it didn't take quite as well to some of the rootage area in the back. It looks a little bit more patchy than can be seen in front. This is the result of Cloud going over my faded, cool-toned blue silver hair. And yeah, hopefully this helps you out. Sorry if you can hear my dog licking my foot. She doesn't want to stop, and I don't have the heart to kick her out. So freaking gorgeous, dude. I keep wanting to go rainbow. It's been a year, it's been over a year since I did rainbow hair, but I just can't seem to get away from these cool toned violet, periwinkle, blue, purple colors. I just like them a lot. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and it's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.